Last segment, you explored where AI models live, Hugging Face, and where data lives, Kaggle. Today we visit where code lives, the actual programs that people write and share with the world. This isn't just a place to look at code. This could become your home, where you store your projects, build your portfolio, and show the world what you can create. Before we explore, let's ask AI to explain GitHub in simple terms. Open ChatGPT or Claude and copy this prompt. Explain to me like I'm in 5th grade. 1. What is GitHub? Why do programmers use it? 2. What does repository, stars, forks, and README mean on GitHub? 3. What does open source mean and why is it important? 4. Why do employers and universities look at someone's GitHub profile? 5. What is GitHub Copilot? Keep it simple and exciting. Now let's go see it for real. GitHub is like a giant library of code. Over 100 million developers use it. Every major tech company, Google, Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, stores code here. And most of it is free to see, learn from, and use. What you'll see on GitHub: repositories, repos, folders containing a project's code, README, the welcome page that explains the project, stars, how many people liked a project, forks, how many people copied it to build upon, issues, problems people found or features requested, contributors, people who helped build it. Don't worry about understanding the code itself. Just explore the projects, read the README files, and see what people are building. Let's search for projects related to the Sustainable Development Goals, the same SDGs you've been exploring. Look at what comes up. Real projects that people built to help. Track progress on global goals. Predict crop diseases for farmers. Monitor water quality. Improve education access. Fight climate change. These aren't just school projects. Many of these are used by real organizations, governments, and NGOs around the world. When you look at a project, notice the README, what does this project do? Who made it? The stars, is it popular? More stars? More trusted? The contributors, 1P, the code files, you don't need to understand them yet. This is how you learn from others. Find a project that does something similar to what you want to build, read how they did it, and learn from their approach. Let's see what developers from Kazakhstan or about Kazakhstan have built. Kazakh language processing tools. Maps and geographic data. Government open data projects. Apps built by local developers. You might find someone in your own country working on problems you care about. That's the power of a global community. You can learn from and connect with people anywhere. Here's something important to understand. GitHub isn't just for storing code. It's how you show the world what you can do. When you apply for university programs in computer science or AI, internships at tech companies, jobs as a developer or data scientist, startup competitions or grants, they will look at your GitHub profile. Think about it. Anyone can say they know AI, but if you have projects on GitHub, you can show them. That's proof. One day, every project you build in this course can go on your GitHub. Your profile will grow over time, a living record of your skills. Future employers will see your journey from student to builder. You don't need to create an account today, but know that this is where your work will live and it matters. Remember how we talked about AI being your partner? GitHub has built an AI assistant specifically for coding. GitHub Copilot is like having an expert programmer sitting next to you. You start typing code and it suggests what comes next. You describe what you want in plain English and it writes the code. You get stuck and it helps you figure out the problem. GitHub Copilot is free for students. When you're ready to start coding, you'll have AI assistants built right in. You won't be coding alone. One more place to know about: this site connects research papers with the actual code that implements them. When scientists publish new AI discoveries, their code often ends up here. It's more advanced than what you need right now, but know it exists. When you're ready to explore cutting-edge AI research, this is where to look. Let's put it all together. You now know about 3 major platforms: Hugging Face, where AI models live; Find Models, try them, use them in your projects; Kaggle, where data lives, find data sets, enter competitions, win prizes; GitHub, where code lives, find projects, learn from them, store your work. These 3 platforms, plus your brain, everything you need to build AI solutions. The models, the data, and the code are all available. The tutorials, the communities, and the tools are all free. What you bring is the creativity, the purpose, and the willingness to learn. For the rest of this segment, explore GitHub on your own. Remember, just window shopping, not building yet. Try these searches: SDG or Sustainable Development Goals, agriculture AI or crop disease, education or learning platform, Kazakhstan or Kazakh language. Something you care about. When you find interesting projects, notice: what problem does it solve? How many stars does it have? Who built it? One person or a team? When was it last updated? Write down 2 to 3 projects that interest you. We'll share at the end. Think about where you are right now. You've explored where AI models live. You've explored where data lives. You've explored where code lives. You know these tools are free and available. You know people are building real solutions for real problems. You know you can join this community. You have access to resources that didn't exist 5 years ago. The only question now is, what will you build? Next segment, we bring everything together. We'll talk about the mission of this program, help you choose your focus area, and prepare you to roll up your sleeves for real hands-on work. The exploring is almost done. The building is about to begin.